Okay, let's simplify a trigonometric expression. So we have a cosecant of t divided by a secant of t. So to do these, what I always like to do is rewrite them in terms of sine and cosine. So with cosecant, I'm going to use the reciprocal identity over here. We can say cosecant is 1 over sine, and then secant, we can replace that with 1 over cosine. So cosecant, 1 divided by sine of t, divided by secant, we said was 1 divided by cosine of t. From here, it's really just a matter of algebra. All right. The next thing we're going to do is instead of a fraction divided by a fraction, I would rewrite that by multiplying both numerator and denominator by cosine of t. The idea is we're multiplying by the same thing, numerator and denominator. So that's like multiplying by 1. In the denominator, though, we're going to be able to cancel out these cosines. So we're left with 1 divided by cosine or sine of t multiplied by a cosine of t. To combine these together, we'll multiply, visualize this as being over 1. We can multiply numerators together and multiply denominators together. So we have cosine of t divided by sine of t. And as you can see from our quotient identities, we have cosine divided by sine is equivalent to cotangent. So we're going to replace this with cotangent of t. And there we have it. We've reduced this down to a single trigonometric function. So basically start out and get these in terms of sine and cosine using our reciprocal identities or quotient identities, and then do a little bit of algebra to reduce down to the simplest form and use these identities to replace with a single trigonometric identity. Good luck.